Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to AI Line Studio tutorial 81, and today's topic is how to add a custom node in Concept Sketcher in AI Line Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the first page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you would see Concept Sketcher as one of the features. Click on it. In the next page you would be redirected to is the Concept Sketcher canvas. For this demo, I have already generated the diagram, and my use case is CPU scheduling flow diagram showing the process arrival, job and ready queues. I generated this diagram and it got generated in just 15 to 20 seconds. And for today's demo, we are talking about how to add a custom node. So in the header, can you see this button called Add Node? Click on it and you can update any text in this and click OK. And then you can drag and make this new node anywhere. And you can place this node anywhere on the canvas. And if you want to connect this node to an existing node, what you can do is click on it. It would become green color. You can simply connect it to any existing node like this. So basically, adding a custom node in Concept Sketcher helps you to make your diagram more flexible and personalized. This is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.